Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5 and today I'll show you how we can apply tempered glass to this phone. Now probably you can already see that I'm using a little bit of a different tempered glass for a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but you'll see that this one fits perfectly. Now I got literal heaps of them, so there we go. So this is probably like one of the more common screen sizes nowadays, so that's why I'm kind of using it. And you can see it fits perfectly. Also, I do have a case on. This might actually help some people applying a tempered glass because it provides kind of like a bumper for the glass itself, so it doesn't place itself kind of like off. If you place it a little bit on the bezel of the case, then it won't stick fully. And you can then just grab it, lift it up, and try to reposition it so it fits in between the actual like bezels right here of the protection case. Once it's basically like in the middle somewhere, it shouldn't cause you any problems. You probably do want to be a little bit more careful about it, how you're placing it, so it is a bit more symmetrical if you have like OCD. So yeah. Now when it comes down to actually applying the case, the way I do it is once I peel off the protective layer, so by just pulling this little one, it will reveal the sticky side on the glass, so you just kind of like slap it and obviously apply it. But the way I do it is I kind of pinch it and then apply it at an angle, so starting with the top of the phone, making sure that it covers the camera but it doesn't cover the speaker grill, and also that it's spaced evenly from either left and right side. And also, while pinching it, I do have a feel of where the bezels are, so I try to kind of like feel the bezels as well of the phone, and I position it roughly in the middle, or what I consider to be middle, and then I put force down on it so it won't move around, and just drop it, basically. I mean, maybe not like that, but just also trying to position it at the bottom, and once it is, I will just drop it. This, at least for me, gives me some of the best kind of like method of applying the tempered glass to a phone, but probably not the only method. So if you have one that works for you, then I'm not exactly sure why you're watching this, but yeah. Anyway, now with the tempered glass, you should get, there we go, wet and dry wipe. If you have these ones that look exactly like this, you can throw them out and just grab a microfiber cloth. Trust me, it's gonna be much easier and enjoyable to clean your phone with that rather than trying to do things with this. Now this is a wet wipe, which basically I guess it is a little bit wet, but as you can see, this is the entire size of the cloth that you get in that package. It's absolutely pitiful. Just to put that in perspective, some other companies sometimes include even things like this, the fiber cloth like this one, so you can use that. These are great, but most of the ones that I have around include these things, and they are absolutely atrocious. So anyway, let's just clean our display off. There we go. So it's right now pretty clean. And to get started with actual application, you will peel off the number one. The reason why I mentioned this is because sometimes certain tempered glasses do have one and then two. And the way you would do it is obviously start with number one. This would expose the sticky side on the glass. And then the two, once you peel that off, it just reveals the actual tempered glass that it will be touching later on. But here we don't have any protection on this side of the tempered glass, so you just automatically peel it off the sticky side, and then this is the side that it will be actually touching. So anyway, and when applying the glass, you do want to make sure that you don't have any kind of dust settling on your phone. Just some kind of like super small dust particles shouldn't cause you any problems, but I would still be very careful and try to wipe them off before I apply my glass. So I did have a little bit. Just gonna give it like a couple of swipes just to get rid of it. There we go. And now let's just get started. I want to be quick about this because obviously dust can settle on either part of this. There we go. As you can see, it's right now sticking. And there we go. So it's fully applied, evenly spread, as you can probably see. And obviously everything should work now. So there we go. And now I'll mention one additional thing which might help some people. So if when you applied your tempered glass you manage to get some kind of like speck of dirt or whatever under your display, if you're very careful, you could lift it up and try to, I don't know, grab tweezers and remove that speck of dirt that got under there and just drop it back on, and actually it might just work. So I did do it a couple times where I did actually pry it back up, grabbed tweezers, removed like speck of dust or whatever that was causing the screen to kind of like bubble up, and when applied back on, it went back then perfectly. So that is something that you can do if something happened to you, though. Hopefully you managed to get your tempered glass on your screen without any kind of problems. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.